Hello everybody. So today we're going to go over how to create a document inside of your Blackboard page. So go inside of your course, and wherever you'd like to insert the document, you'll find these little pluses scattered throughout the course. This just allows you to add different items inside of it. So let's say I want to add a document right under the first academic assignment right here. So hover right over this little plus symbol, click it, and we'll give you an option to add different things. Let's say you want to create a document. Maybe right. And these are also the different items you can add. But today we're going to create a document. So let's go ahead and click document. And these are the different options that you have to add. You also have these same exact options inside of the create option as well. You can upload a file, upload it from the cloud. You can add content from the content connections, upload an audio file, a video file, or even convert a file. Different things that you can add options to. So let's say I want to add content. From here, you can type whatever you like. So let's say I want to put hello world. Just go ahead and add that there. And these are the different text options that you have. So you can change the text style, the font size, the font itself, the color. You can even make it bold, italic, or underline it, and these are also more text options that you have as well. You can even create a grid if you like. So you can have a 2x2 table, 4x4 table, whatever you like if you want to insert a table. You also have the option to align the words. So let's say I want to make it more centered. You can just go ahead and click the center option, and we'll go ahead and center your text right there. You also have an option to list. So for example, let's say I want to add a bulletin. Let's say like that's to the left, and you can clean. You can do this, and then let's enter, and then it'll keep it a nice bulletin form for you. If you'd like to, you can also even have a number option as well. So different options that you have. Also, let's say you want to go back, you can also undo right here for you. So just click the undo button, we'll undo everything just like. You even have an option to clear the format. Well, right here with this little eraser. And if you wanted to add a link, let's say for a YouTube video for whatever reason, you can directly do it from here as well. So just go ahead and click the link option. And let's say I want to add a URL for the YouTube video. Just go ahead and let's say you want this one.
This is what Ivy League universities you can get into with a
paste it. And let's say I wanted to name the link focus. Insert it, and that will be the link. Also, you have the option to add an attachment directly from a computer. You can go ahead and click that. Let's say I wanted to add any kind of file. Just look it up directly from here. Select the file, and then you can open and insert it right here for you. It also works the same way for pictures. So let's say you want to add an image. Upload an image directly from your device. So let's say I want to add, let's say, a photo. You can go and add a photo as well. You can also do a view only option. Let's say you wanted to view and allow this to download it, you can do this as well. And you can also name the photo whatever you like. I'm going to leave it the same. And I'm also just going to view only because I just want them to see it. I don't want them to download it. So once you save it, it's your image. And if you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and save it. But I also want to edit the name of this document. So on the very top, just click this little name. And the pencil is to edit the name. So you can name it test. You can enter or just click anywhere else on the screen. So I'm going to click over here. That's the new name. Let's say I'm not happy with that. Hover over it, click the pencil, and you can rename it whatever you like. S12, for example, and that's the new name. And if you want to make sure the links actually work, you can just go ahead and click the deep focus link that was a YouTube video that we just renamed the link for. Just go ahead and save it. And there's that document. All documents will show as hidden from learners until you manually make it visible. Once it's visible, all the students should be able to see it. If you want to test this, just open up the document. You can go ahead and click that link just to make sure it works, and it should take you directly to the YouTube video.